The next we are going to learn about the grammar of nani nani ka, something like this. Ka nani 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 ka nani ka. Kananika is mean or something dot or something. So in Japanese, when you use with the grammar of kananika, in front of the kananika it should be the noun and by or followed by kananika. So to make sure that we understand about how to use kananika, we are going to see some example together. The first sentence or the first example. 彼は病気か何かだろう。彼は病気か何かだろう。which means he must be sick or something. He must be sick or something. In this case, that means that you are not sure and you don't know well about that person, but you just guess in your opinion, in your brain, that maybe if the person have the performance like this, maybe he or she should be like this. So you just guess, you're not sure. So in this case, in Japanese, you can use ka nanika daro, byoki ka nanika daro, something like this. The next, orange juice ga nanika hoshii na. Orange juice ga nanika hoshii na, which means I want some orange juice or something. I want some orange juice or something. For the second sentence, you see that orange juice or something, that means when you see many drinking on the table or in the store, in the 7-Eleven. So do you want to drink something but you don't know, you haven't decided yet, so you can say orange juice ga nanika hoshii na, which means you want to drink some juice, orange juice, something like this, but you haven't decided yet. The next, 私はアイスクリームか何か食べたいです。私はアイスクリームか何か食べたいです。which means I want to eat ice cream or something. I want to eat ice cream or something. The next example. 急ぎでなかったらお茶か何かいかがですか？お急ぎでなかったらお茶か何かいかがですか？ which means if you are not in a hurry, how about a cup of tea or something? If you are not in a hurry, how about a cup of tea or something? You see that for the first sentence, ice cream ga nanika tabetai desu. That is when you work very hard and you from your feeling, from the bottom of feeling that you want to eat something, such as ice cream or something, that you can say ice cream ga nanika tabetai desu, to explain that you want to eat something very cool like ice cream. And for the second sentence, if you don't know that that person want to drink whatever, you don't know that what he want to drink, so you can say ocha ka nanika, that means some cup of tea or something like this. Isogi de nakatta, isogi de nakatta, this means if you are not in a hurry, right? Nanika, ocha ka nanika ikaga desu ka? Ikaga desu ka is mean how is about. How is about is mean in English. You can translate this. How is about cup of tea or something. Maybe you want to drink coffee, right? Coffee or tea or juice, many things. So you can say like this in Japanese. Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。